This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system servicing. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Cooling system draining. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Remove the expansion tank cap. Raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Open the radiator drain plug and direct the coolant into the container. Once the coolant has drained completely, close and tighten the radiator drain plug. Cooling system flushing. Fill the cooling system with clean water. Install the expansion tank cap. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool completely. Open the radiator drain plug. Allow the contaminated water to drain completely. Close and tighten the drain plug. Repeat this cooling system flushing process until the water being drained is free of contaminants. Cooling system filling. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Slowly add new coolant, which consists of a 50-50 mixture of water and Dex Cool coolant, to the expansion tank until the level reaches the full cold line. Install the expansion tank cap. Start and run the engine at idle for 2 minutes, periodically raising the engine RPM to 2500 to 3000 RPM. Turn the engine off and let it cool completely. Slowly remove the expansion tank cap and add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the full cold line. Install the cap.